Hello everyone and welcome back again to our YouTube channel Bullows Paint Shop Tales. Today we are going to show you a video where it is a paint circulation system, non-pressurized 50+10 paint circulation system integrated with an electrostatic spray gun. In this video we can see a 50-liter tank which is of paint and 10-liter tank of solvent. The solvent tank is being used in the later condition for flushing of the line. The paint tank is mounted with 0.6 HP rotary geared motor for agitation of paint. There is a low level sensor which indicates the low level and gives a hooter alarm that can be cut off on through this control panel. There is a main incoming line pressure dial and the pressure can be regulated through FRC, and the pump which is used here is of diaphragm pump and it is of Graco make, model is Triton. To the output of this pump, anti-surge bottle is connected, which is an anti-surge cum filter, and the drain facility is also provided to the tank for both paint and solvent tank. There is a 3-way ball valve for switching of paint and solvent as per the requirement. The output of the pump is connected to the paint manifold. Here it is 2-gun provision. Now the customer is using only one connection where the output is connected of the paint manifold to a fluid regulator. This is air pressure regulator which provides air to the gun. So these are air hoses and paint hoses. As I said earlier, the gun here utilized is of electrostatic technology. Yes, we have integrated Graco make electrostatic Air Pro spray gun. As we can see in this video, the component here is an electric motor wherein the surface is very critical to paint because it has fins, notches and very critical areas where a normal conventional spray gun cannot reach. The electrostatic spray gun works on a principle where the paint is negatively charged. There is an electrode in the spray gun. And the specialty of Graco electrostatic spray gun is there is no extra power cable getting connected to the gun body. The compressed air itself generates the required voltage or kVs for the electromagnetization of the paint. So this ensures paint saving and very low wastage of paint. The transfer efficiency here in this kind of electrostatic spraying is around 60 to 65%. A simple 50+10 liter system, non-pressurized system, can ensure mass production and the operator gets a very free mindset while painting because of non-wired cable into the gun. We get effective spraying. Critical areas get easily painted. The component is positively grounded and we can see here in this video the operator is at very ease in painting. The quality of painting is also very superior as compared to conventional spray guns. Every area is getting covered. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.